Need to add a form to your Duda website? Let's take a look at how to get it done. G'day Groovers, Alex here from Paperform with another video. Now, whether you need a simple contact form or something more complex, there inevitably comes a time when you must add a form to your Duda website. But guess what? Duda has a native Paperform inbuilt app, which allows you to create beautiful and smart forms in a matter of seconds. You get access to the same Paperform form building platform you know and love without needing to leave your Duda website. But even better, you don't have to copy any JavaScript or create HTML like you would with other solutions. So let's take a look at how it works. Now, to speed up this tutorial, I've gone ahead and generated a dummy website using one of Duda's fantastic looking templates. As you can see here, it's gorgeous. So to create a form in Duda, we just have to use the Paperform app, which is the only native form building application on Duda's App Store. So to do that, in the side panel, select App Store and add Paperform to your website. Then select a plan. Let's move forward with the trial. The Duda App Store version of Paperform is nearly identical to holding an account at Paperform, but there are a few notable differences which I've left in the description of this video. Most notably is the inability to use the forms you've created on multiple websites. If you create forms within this website, you'll be limited to using those forms on said website. Furthermore, there are slight limitations in how reporting and custom CSS and HTML work within the builder. Once in your dashboard, select Create a Form to get started making a new form. You can either start a form from scratch and let your imagination run wild, or use one of the beautifully designed templates. Now, I'm going to use a contact form, so I'll search contact, and I like this template. Now, let's jump in and make some quick changes. I'll remove the title here, alter the question title there, then head to the theme settings to ensure our form design matches our website design. So we'll hit the icon there. I'll obviously need to change some of these colors. Boom, let's go with that. And we'll change that. Then the text, and that'll be enough. So when you're ready, click Add to Site from the form editor and just copy the form ID. Now jump into the web designer. In the side panel, select Widgets and search for Paperform. Then drag the Paperform widget into your designer where you would like the form to appear. For me, it's going to be here in this Contact Us section, but you could add a Paperform to its own page to use it to collect lead data, registrations, or any other type of information you would need or would like to use. Now, in the widget configuration, paste the form ID on the form ID field you see there, and that's it. How easy. You can also configure the form to be a pop-up button by changing the form type here, and then just click and drag the button size directly within the designer. Awesome. Jump into the design tab to apply animation effects and adjust the spacing to make sure it's a perfect fit. And that's all there is to it. You've got a beautiful form that matches your Duda site. Once you publish your site, your form will automatically work. You won't need to make any other tweaks. Now, if you want to edit or change your form at any time, simply navigate into your apps, open Paperform, and hit Edit. And that's how you create a form for your Duda website using Paperform. But Paperform can do so much more than just create simple contact forms. You can use it to take bookings, collect payments, even automate everyday workflows. If you want to learn more, check out the video linked above. And that's it for this tutorial. We'd like to hear, how are you using Paperform and Duda? If this has been a helpful tutorial, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this one. Well, that's it. Good luck and happy form making.